We're going to look at how to get started using Microsoft PowerPoint. Right here on the taskbar, I have PowerPoint 2013. So I'll go ahead and click on it. It's coming up. If you have older version or you're using PowerPoint 2007 or newer version, this video tutorial is still useful. Okay. So right here we have our template. So I can go ahead and choose from any of these templates. Okay. Or I can still go up here and click on search online templates and theme, which is here. I'll click here and type in the word I want to search for, and it will pop up for me. Remember, you can't get your template online if you're not connected to the internet. Okay, but for this tutorial I'm focusing more on using the already made template here, which is not online. So moving forward, I'll go to blank presentation, which is here. I'll click on blank presentation. Coming up. Oh wow. So right here is the layout that we have to work with. Top here is the tab region. On this tab region, when you click on it, it will give you a series of tools on something that they call the ribbon. Okay, so you click here, you have the design ribbon. You click here, you have the transition ribbon. You click here, you have the animations ribbon. So you click on home, you have the home ribbon. So in all these are the ribbon and these are the tab. So you click on the tab and you click on the ribbon. Okay. So that is all for this ribbon and the tab. Remember, this is called the tab, this is called the ribbon. Here on the screen we have a slide number 1. Okay, here is the slide number 1. This is where I can do the editing for this slide. On the left side of the screen I have a small rectangle which represents this larger slide. Okay, this is the small rectangle and it represents this larger slide. So to create my PowerPoint presentation, I will have to click here which says double tap to add type to. I'll click here and I'll type. Already you have your own PowerPoint presentation write-ups that you have. So as I'm adding my own PowerPoint presentation write-up, you are adding yours. Okay, and this presentation I'm using is just for the tutorial. Okay, it doesn't represent your actual work. So I'll go ahead and type in something. Let me use presentation as well. Okay, so we have presentation right here. Okay, to add title, subtitle, I will just simply by typing in kind of school, okay, or business. Okay, this is just for a tutorial purpose, not the actual work. Okay, so now this my presentation is ready. I can go ahead to add a new slide, making it slide number 2. Okay, making it slide number 2. But looking at this my work layout, it doesn't look good for me. I really need to change design. I need to change the design theme. Okay, how do I do that? I will simply go here on the tab region and click on design. You click on design and I can choose from any of these design that are available right here. Okay, I can choose from any of them, but I'm choosing this. Wow, and I'm changing it to this. Oh yeah, So we are done with slide number 1. Moving forward to slide number 2. Sorry guys, I don't know if I'm fast or I'm slow, but however, please try and pay attention to what I am teaching you. So adding slide number 2, we have to go to Home tab, okay, and have the Home ribbon. I click on Home and I'll come here. Here is the new slide. This slide is where you click and you have a new slide for your work. Or I can actually go ahead and click on this small arrow that is here. When I click on it, it will give me so many new slides that I can choose from depending on what I'm working or how I want my presentation to look. Okay, so I click outside because I don't want to click on it. I just want to click on new slide and it brings out a new slide. I click on it. Voila, we have a new slide. Okay, now we have a new slide. I can choose to add a title. Now what is the title I'm going to add? I can choose to add a title called adding design themes. So go ahead and type adding design themes. Okay, okay, adding design themes. Okay, then I can add text by writing safety, and then I will enter key and write save. Enter key and I will write safe. Sorry, this safe. Okay, so here it said I am wrong. How do I write safety? I'll just right click on it, and once I right click on it, I will choose the correct word I feel I want to use. Then I'll click on safety. All right. For those of you that are using your traditional language, remember you still have this underlined red mark that it gives me before. So when you right click on it and it brings a lot of things for you, just stick to your traditional language and don't change it. Okay. Moving forward to slide number 3, I'll be teaching you how to add slide number 3 by inserting image from online. So you go ahead and click on design. Go ahead and click on new slide. All right. So we have new slide. I can choose to add another title here and choose to add text. So here is where it says online pictures, and here is where it says insert your table. For those that want to insert table, and for those that want to insert chart, and for those that want to insert a smart card, a smart art graphics, and for those that want to insert videos, you can actually insert videos. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to only insert videos and pictures. I'm going to show you how to insert only images from online and images from your system. Okay, so moving forward, go ahead and click on online. It's coming up. Now we have it. Then I can choose to type in here file. On this small arrow down here, I'll click on search. Wow, see the different kinds of images it brings up for me. Okay, okay, so it can actually change the colors. Okay, change the size. This here it says creative common only. All right, no problems. Then you click on it. So which of them do I choose? I choose this. I click on it. All right, and I click on insert, and here we have it. Here we have it. So I can choose to rotate this image by going here and rotate, click and rotate. Okay, you click and rotate. All right, all right. So to increase it, you allow this cursor here, place your cursor here and allow the cursor to turn to this front back arrow, and you click and drag. All right, you drag. All right, that's cool, that's nice. Okay, moving forward to slide number 4, we go to home, and we still click on, repeat the same process that we did in slide number 2 and 3, and you click on it, insert. All right, and we click here that said pictures, you click on it. Because I don't have pictures here, and where I save my pictures is on desktop, so I have to click on desktop. Once I click on desktop, and I'll click on any of this place, I already know where I want to go and choose my image from. So you save your image where you can locate it easily. If your image is on download, you click on document, you click on document, on download, on music, on pictures, wherever your image is, you click on it. So for mine is on desktop. I click on desktop, and I'll go here and I open it, image, okay, and I will choose this, and I will click on insert. It's coming up. Wow, wow. So you place your cursor here and drag, you move it up, you place your cursor here and drag, you keep your cursor here and double tap and move it round. Okay, so we are done with the slide number 4. Moving forward to slide number 5 and slide number 6. I'll create a new slide, and I'll create another new slide. All right, so if there are slides that you don't really like here and you wish to remove the slide from your work, all you have to do is click on the slide, and I'm removing slide number 5. Okay, so now for me to remove this slide number 5, what do I do? All right, what do I do? You might be thinking, oh, how can I remove this slide or this? It's very simple. Just click on it and use your keypad delete button, and you delete. You click on it, you delete, and that's all. So we are left with slide 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are all our slide. Okay, so now to add animation to our slide, I have to go back to slide number 1, and I'll go to animation. Okay, here is design. If I wish to change it to another one, but no, I'm not doing that now. Okay, so I'll go to animation. So for these ribbons to appear well, I click on the work I want to. All right. Oof. Now I'll click on appear. Now I'll go to slide number 2. I'll click on it, and I will click on fly up. Wahoo, wahoo. That's great. I'll click on slide number 3, and I'll click here, and I'll click on split, or I click on floating, wipe, or I can choose appear, or I choose fly, fade, whichever one I want. All right, okay, I'll click on slide number 4, and I'll click here, and I'll click on wipe. Oh wow, so these are how to add animations to your work. Now to save your work, all you need to do is to go up here where it said save, or you can use Control S to save your work. You click on it like mine. Now I have to save it on my computer. All right, I double click on it, and I'll choose desktop because I like saving my work on desktop for easy access, and I'll click on save. My work is saved now. All right, moving forward, on starting your slide, you go back to slide number 1. Okay, so on slide number 1, for you to choose your slide, you can actually choose your slide by going to here that says slide show. All right, so To begin your slide, you can choose to start your slide from the current. So if I'm to choose current from number 2, it's going to start from number 2. If I'm choosing from 1, it's going to start from 1. But if I'm choosing from the beginning, it's going to start from the beginning. So let's play our slide. Remember, you have to go to slideshow. When you go to slide here, they said from beginning. Then you click on it for your slide to start. Oh ho! Now we have our slide moving. Okay, 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 okay. And that's all for the slide. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.